Namaste, I am Mayura and I am at my jewelry studio, the M Store. Today we have two lovely ladies with us. Let's find out who they are. Uh, Hello, Amy.
Hi Mayura.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Dr. Pallavi Zada. I run my own clinic called as Synergy in Tarabai Park. I used to work in Bombay in Nanavati Hospital and now I have my own clinic here.
Hello, Akka.
Hello Mayura.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you for inviting us to the studio today.
Thank you, Akka. Please introduce yourself.
Yes. Hi, I'm Harshila Yashodhan Karasgar. Initially, I used to work with Deutsche Bank as a relationship manager, but currently I'm a homemaker and a proud mother of 15 years old son.
Lovely. So I would like to know what are your favorite jewelry pieces, maybe from your wardrobe or just any jewelry piece that you would like.
I'm a Kannadika. So we basically from a town in Karnataka. So आमच्याकडे my mom's mom had one piece of jewelry called as कर्नाटकामध्ये people wear lot of gazra. So I'm wearing one today. So त्याला म्हणतात मग्गी माले. सो तो असा सोन्यासारखा असतोय आणि गजराचे जे असतात ना ते आपण इट्स लाईक अ हेअर ज्वेलरी दॅट यू वेअर सो विच इज कम फ्रॉम माय ग्रँड मॉम passed on to my mum and my husband's mom also has it.
Okay.
So hopefully I will get it. It's a very mix of modern and very traditional jewelry.
Oh, lovely. This is the first time we got to know about something like this that exists. Very nice, very nice. What would be your favorite jewelry?
Actually, I'm a very minimalistic person in jewelry, but I'm very much keen about jewelry. And I basically like traditional as well as modern kind of jewelry. But my favorite is what I'm wearing now is Tanmani.
Tanmani.
Yeah, this is my favorite because it has this Maharashtrian tradition and maybe like 300 years ago, right from the Peshwas.
Right.
So I probably love Tanmani.
And it's looking absolutely beautiful.
It has some grace as well as femininity, grace. So I just love the piece. Tanmani
beautiful.
is my favorite.
So, thank you. So, any memory that you would like to share, which you have it in your mind related to a jewelry item? Of course, there is Gazra, but anything else?
Yeah, it's a nice story. I mean, not a kind of story, but when I was born, actually आपल्याकडं हे करतात ना बारशात नेमिंग सेरेमनीला नाव ठेवतात तेव्हा माझ्या मॉम डॅडनी मला वाघनक घातलं होतं आणि चेन अँड द वाघनक आणि ते असं फिश शेपमध्ये विथ माणिक म्हणजे माणकाचा डोळा विथ घुंगरू बिकॉज माय फादर ऑलवेज वॉन्टेड हिज डॉटर टू बी स्ट्रॉंग करेजियस अँड दॅट वॉज माय फर्स्ट ज्वेलरी आय थिंक ते वाघनक जे मी माझ्या बारशात घातलं होतं सो दॅट इज व्हेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट अँड मी खूप वर्ष ते वापरत होते अजून पण आय जस्ट केप्ट इट बिकॉज वागणं थोडं असं हे होतं ना सो पण दॅट इज माय ऑल टाईम फेवरेट अँड दॅट इज माय मेमरी आय थिंक या
So Wagnak is something that not many people or like very handful of people have, and that's very nice that you are preserving such heritage piece in your wardrobe. It should be passed on to the future generations. So
definitely.
Nice. So since you visited the store for the first time, you've been there always for as a M store strength of M store. But how did you find our store?
I know Mayura since I think many years. I've been seeing her since the time she's operating with her father, then coming up with her store here. So it's M for Mane and M for Mayura. So I always call it like Mayura store because you go to her, it's an M for modern, and she preserves all her traditions so well. So once you enter the store, now it is so amazing to see traditional pieces, but it has a twist of modern touch to it, which ladies nowadays want to wear. So she's made n number of pieces for me. Couple of them are so traditional, but the way that she's made it so modern, which I like. That's the way I like to wear it.
Thank you.
So I really, it's very innovative what you're doing, and it's a very warm, welcoming feeling when I come to your store.
Absolutely.
I can be here for hours together. So
Absolutely.
it's really nice to see you just grow so amazingly, and
Thank
I wish
you.
all the best for you.
Thank you very much.
And for me, Mayura, yeah, I've known you like since a long time. And here I have been with Pallavi, I think, for the first time.
Right.
And from that day, M store is like my favorite. And you know, once we enter the store, we feel like we are welcome. We are prestigious customer client. And the way Mayura curates the jewelry is like priceless. And she takes care about what preferences, what exactly we prefer, and according to that she just makes it that it happens exactly what we want. So I just love M store.
Thank you.
ती कशालाही नाही म्हणत
म्हणत
नाही.
नाही.
हे पाहिजे हो हो वहिनी मी करते.
नाही आणि basically the thing is see we can talk to her about the pricing also, the authenticity, pricing, everything is like
Yes.
so open and so clear, clarity.
Correct.
मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली इज द क्लॅरिटी वॉट आय लाईक. आणि म्हणजे काही सांगू शकतो आपण मयुराला की हे ठीक आहे, हे आहे, माझे हे आहे, मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, और मला हे पाहिजे. आणि फोनवर सुद्धा बरेच वेळा मयुरा क्विकमध्ये वी वॉन्ट समथिंग अँड शी इज लाईक ओके रेडी. सो ऑलवेज गो टू स्टोर, आय थिंक एम स्टोर.
Thank you. So Vaini, you're looking smashing, and if you would like to just decode what you're wearing today, would be
So
just
what I'm wearing
fantastic.
right now, these are ruby strings with uncut polkis, and I think they're looking absolutely fabulous.
Yes, yes. Akka, what would you like to say about the Tanmani?
Tanmani, as I told you, my favorite piece, and it looks modern yet
Yes.
traditional.
Yes.
So we can wear it like for casual or any specific festival.
Also,
So
the Shinde Shahi are looking
Shinde
very
Shahi,
nice.
these are my favorites, and I just love them. The silver looks amazing.
Amazing. Yeah. We've always seen Shinde Shahi with
It's
gold.
golden type, but
But,
silver looks very,
Yeah,
very
it looks
different and nice,
delicate and it's very nice.
And I think for everyday use also, you can
Yeah,
wear
yeah.
a single piece and you're done for the.
Yeah. Both of
Both.
you are looking just royal divas. I
Thank
wish
you,
we can
Neera.
just
thanks
go
All
on.
thanks to you, I think, yeah, because of your, jewelry and your curated pieces. We are looking fabulous in
And
that.
as I told you, na, your store is so welcoming. I think
Welcoming,
we have
yeah.
a very natural glow on our faces every time we're sitting here with you. So it's enhancing our jewelry that we are wearing just by your presence.
Thank you. So thank you Vaini and Akka for coming here for such a short notice.
Thank you.
But it was really lovely to have you. I think we should keep the sessions going on
Yes.
every now and then. So
And we are glad we are here.
Very
Very
glad
glad to be here.
Thank
Thank you to you for inviting us here. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
It
Mayura,
was
for
pleasure.
inviting us.
thank you Vaini.
Song